Umintri rang ba ukan rat ke sangma hanin gesngi ula pentep ba ka Sorkar kan sa penkela ya ka Meglaya Public Service Commission MPSC bat ya barok ka wei ka rukum tungkam tungjam da ka batau syo ki recruitment board ka Sorkar kala sya ban ya ka rukum tungkam ka bastet Hagabaya day ba ka Kynthup ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ukan rat ula ong ba ka Sorkar jela kala dap ban thok ka Shithi ban Phah hau benai nai weng sya ka Sorkar Pdeng ban Kynthup mador ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ka kernet ba pra jongkariti sinsyari.
Already we have passed a resolution. That's number one. After the resolution was passed, on multiple occasions I have written to Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. After the Khasi Author Society had met me last time, within the first week of November, I don't remember the exact date, I have already written a letter to the Home Ministry reminding them again, and this is after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society, and based on their suggestion, I had once again written in the first week of November.
Executive members of the Khasi